In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a file on ChatGPT. So if you are new here to my channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. So let's get started. First, I'm going to ChatGPT. Then you need to click on this icon. Just click on here. Then you are able to upload, connect with Google Drive. If you have a file on Google Drive, you are able to upload here. Also able to upload for Microsoft OneDrive personal and Microsoft OneDrive work school. So I am using upload from computer. Just click on here, then choose your file. So I choose this file, then I want to type here explain. Just click on enter. So now ChatGPT full analyzes this data and give me a full result. You can see this is a United States employment strategies, January 2009 to January 2017. So ChatGPT explain full data here. This is a fantastic way you are able to explain any data using ChatGPT. So if you are new my channel, subscribe my channel. If you have found this video helpful for you, please like this. See you again, take care, goodbye.